Hey guys, I'm making this quick video how you're going to connect your Dell monitor to your Xbox. It's super simple. So first thing first, what you need to do is you need to locate on your HDMI on your monitor. It's going to look like this. So you're going to have the HDMI ending there, or it's going to look like this. This is like the Dell monitor. So you're going to have HDMI ending, and then what you need to do is that you need to connect the HDMI ending to your Xbox HDMI out. It's going to look like this. And then you're going to power outlet both. But what might happen is that you don't have the HDMI ending there. So then what you need to do, you need to buy adapters. So let's say you have VGA cable, you don't have the HDMI on your Dell monitor because it can be, let's say, older. Then what you need to do, you just need to connect it. It's super simple. You need to adapter. So you need to buy, I will show you where I have it. Like this, do you see it? So then you need to have something like this and you need to buy it. And you're gonna connect the HDMI to your Xbox and then VGA to the VGA adapter ending. And that's how it's done. It's like a few dollars. It's not expensive. So that's how we're gonna do it. Have a great day and goodbye.